Hello and welcome to this new course in which you'll learn how to make ESP32 email alert based on sensors readings. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering team. ESP ports support mail clients and SMTP servers, and you will learn how to send emails with your ESP32 ports, and I will show you exactly what you need to do to make this work. You will also learn how to send an email alert with ESP32 board on a sensor threshold, let's say a temperature sensor, a touch sensor, or any other type of sensors. The ESP32 also hosts a web server that shows the latest readings and input fields to change the sensor's settings. You can make this work. What you will learn in this course is basically how to create a code to let ESP32 send email alerts in Arduino IDE. How or what are SMTP servers? And you will learn the most common SMTP servers and how to get their details. You will learn how to use mail clients with an ESP32 board. I will also teach you how to create a new email account for free to be used for sending emails and how to configure it. You will also learn how to code ESP32 to achieve its full potential, and you can simply do that by connecting this email alert course with sensor readings. You can get a reading from a touch sensor or a temperature sensor, and if this reading is above a certain value, you can send an email alert. All of this is covered in this course. I'm sure that you will get a very amazing learning experience, and I'm here if you have any question before joining or after joining. We provide 24-hour 7 days a week support for our students. Thanks for watching this introduction. See you inside. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering team.